In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Questionnaire Tool. The Questionnaire Tool allows you to conduct surveys and quizzes with real-time feedback on results. Let me show you. Before creating the questionnaire, let's first design the flow our users will get after the questionnaire is completed. Now, let's head to the Tool section to create our questionnaire. Select the flow to be triggered once the questionnaire is completed. Input your questions and select the appropriate response type. Let's save our questionnaire and navigate to the Flow section to create our questionnaire flow. Go to Action, select Questionnaire, and select the questionnaire we created. Now let's go back to the Tool section to check the information of the questionnaire applicants. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.